ينبغي ألا يملك أحد آخر هذه الجودة في السوق. مفهوم؟
Guide me, Enkidu.
Not welcome here. Go.
Please, over here.
You seek some assistance?
For the sake of my beautiful Bahja, I have come far to buy the resin of the poppy, and paid handsomely for it.
Basha? I take it she is ill.
Her teeth trouble her greatly, poor girl. She cannot chew a single mouthful, and I fear she will waste away.
So you no longer possess the resin?
It was seized by a band of crooked soldiers, located in this camp.
I will retrieve the resin and return it to you.
Oh, I beg you, sneak in and avoid shedding blood. See those robbers over there? Doubtless, they covet the resin as well.
For poor Bahja's sake, I must make haste. Be my eyes, Enkidu. These rogues know. These rogues know how to move unseen. I must not let them reach the prize before me.
Not here, are you? What? Down with you!
Aha! Now you die! Now I have you.
I'll summon aid!
Fight like you can to live, coward!
In stealth, these fools are no match for a hidden one. With this resin, Bahja's pain will soon be eased.
Taught you well, but be patient. I will bury you!
I have returned, though I fear I bear mixed tidings.
Mixed tidings?
Here is the poppy resin. Unfortunately, blood was spilt in its retrieval.
Well, at least Bahja, that sweetest of all camels, will be spared her torment.
Wait. I killed for the sake of a camel?
I urged you otherwise, my friend. But take solace. She is truly a queen among beasts.
مهما حدث يجب أن يعرف.
Have you come to fulfill the...
How may I aid you?
I am late with my delivery. One final bundle lies at the rear of the house, but it is heavy, and I cannot lift it. Venture there and retrieve the goods for me.
I will do so without delay.
The goods are inside the chest. Handle them gently, for their worth is great, and they must not suffer damage.
I will bear them as if they were my own.
Help! 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 Help!
Yeah.
Help! 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 Help!
My thanks, friend.
Does any wound trouble you?
I suffer no lasting injury, thank God. That merchant who sent you here is no honest trader, but a robber in disguise. He lures workers with offers of coin, sedates them with foul fumes, and delivers them to his comrades for ransom.
I will see this impostor dealt with. I must confront this merchant. No!
You died now! No one saw it! That's right, you scoundrel! No mere man fights like this!
Not good.
No escape for you! There's more! Dog!
I must confront this merchant. I found your last victim inside the house. He spoke freely.
Victim? What victim? I know nothing of such a person.
Spare me the lies. The only reason you still draw breath is because your hand holds no weapon.
Oh, what do you intend to do with me?
You shall learn in the moments to come.
I know.
Studied in the courts of Baghdad and Rome. He vowed for a fee to guide us in expanding the Dadan so its yield might be 10 times greater.
And now you rest. Surely this is the market Nimlot spoke of.
توقفوا هنا لحظة. لدي أجود المختارات وأندرها.
Well met.
Welcome.
What do you have?
Here's what's come in. Not wise to be short of these. Your gear needs some work? That will do. Can I be of...
I will be off then.
Safe travels.
Wait.
Call the watch! You will be late
The
to
quality
pay.
of his dates is unmatched.
Wait until you try them.
Guard!
They are
Guard!
sweeter than
There
honey.
is vermin
Then I must
painting
hurry
our
over
streets.
there before they are all gone.
Oh my! He's the outlaw! Guard! Over here! Help!
Greetings, Sadiqi. I see a fine oud by your side. Practiced in its use, are you?
Oh yes, I'm able to play. Are you familiar with it?
I will admit I am not a very practiced musician. But the oud is an instrument that brings me great pleasure when I have the opportunity to play. I find it a great diversion from the vagaries of life.
Indeed it can be.
Unfortunately, those opportunities are rare as I do not carry my own in my travels.
Why don't you play mine here? I would be pleased to see your technique.
Oh. Yes, that is very kind of you to offer.
Not at all.
Would you by any chance possess some notation? It has been too long for my memory to recall a melody.
Alas, I do not. But you may come across notations in your journeys here. They are common in these parts. Should you find any, please return to play whenever you wish.
I will endeavor to do so. Shukran laka, ya Sadiqi.
Hey, that's your face on the poster. Stop you! I know that face! What? Now you bet!
Oh my God! Murder! Murder! Help!
Not now. Young lady, what troubles you that you weep so bitterly?
Let me be. Let me die.
Do not say such things. What is the trouble that brings these tears to your eyes?
The courtyard. I left something within its walls that I must retrieve. I must! But those horrible men, they will not allow me inside!
What do they say? What is happening within its walls?
I am afraid to ask. They frighten me. Would you try to get it for me, please? My journal? It is everything to me.
I will try.
Go somewhere else.
What do you see, Enkidu?
Hey! Wait just a... Time to die!
أرجوك.
أيعقل هل أنا أحلم؟
What is this? We don't... Good one! No! Pathetic!
There were 100 ways you might have found to avoid spilling his blood.
No! He...
The authorities will see this and decide your fate. Not I.
No.
Poor likeness.
أنت أيها الوقح
إن كان
كف أيها الحثالة.
لا تتمادى. With careful planning, we could forge an industry.
You will rot in a cell. Yes, you will.
You'll be making my purse. تحلى ببعض الأدب.
Better keep a low profile.
You can't... I need to... Again! Regretting your act of dog evisceration!
Enough! God curse you!
we should.
إنه
Please behold the wares I have on offer. Take a look. I promise you will find my wares most inviting.
What a splendid market you have here. Treasures at every turn.
We do our best, though it cannot compare to Baghdad.
I am glad of it. I came here to escape Baghdad, if only for a while.
In that case, you will find Al-Ola offers much to discover. Still, we harbor our share of shadows.
Such as?
Venture beyond that path with caution. They say it leads to the black heart of this market, where ugly desires find purchase.
His garb mirrors that of the robbers I met earlier. I must follow him.
He vowed for a fee to guide us in expanding the dead end.
Where are the patrols? This trash belongs in a cell. Call out the shorta. This is your scum in a cell. Bro, how dare you show your face? Over here.
Perhaps I should check his pockets for any clues.
ويحك أتريد إيذاء أحد؟
كف أيها الفتالة.
It is a list of hidden...
Off with you!
He has slipped from my sight, Enkidu. I need your guidance to find him. What do you see?
Stop right there, dog. Do not let him get away!
What is happening over there?
You'll turn up. Well. Cut her!
I cannot let them get to him first. My only chance to question him depends on it.
Did you catch his trail?
Perhaps he slipped into one of these alleys.
Ah, my new pet. Mark my words. Your stay here will be most disagreeable. Return to your duties. Tell the others the threat is over.
This falls far short of my hopes.
Have you noticed? There are more of us on the day shift lately.
No one wishes to serve under that new captain overseeing the night guard. He is as ruthless as Abyss himself, and better trained for battle.
But how are those few left on night duty meant to patrol the entire prison?
Harsh methods are their only hope.
Anyone alive in there? Newcomer, you still breathing?
Apparently.
Then look on the bright side. You will not be for much longer.
The ugly man who acts as if this place belongs to him. I get the impression he does not serve the Khilafah.
You mean the Abyss?
So, that is Abyss.
He treats the prison as if it is his own den. Even has a special chamber here.
What does he use it for?
To concoct his poisons, which he then tries out on us.
Does no one attempt to escape from here?
Attempt, yes, but never successfully. You can still stumble upon what is left of their unfinished escape tunnels.
I must keep watch for any chance to slip free. Though opportunities are scarce in this place. I wonder what has become of Enkidu.
I hear the silversmith has gone 40 days without so much as a crumb. If true, it is barbaric.
Stop fretting, cook. He does not get to eat. That is the order of Abyss. One of his little experiments. You are new here, but soon you will understand.
Abyss is a stain on all this land.
Shut up, wench! Or maybe you would like to become the next experiment.
This cell is a sentence of death. Forget Abyss or the food. Boredom here is the cruelest of killers.
Free and sleep, while my body wakes to shackles.
You. Are you awake? What crime brought you here?
I have committed no crime.
Why are you here then?
I was looking for someone.
Who?
Have you heard of a man named Ishaq ibn Khalid?
The old fool who claims to be the Khalifa's architect? He dwells in the oasis. A house with a blue door, in the farmer's quarter.
You are certain?
In Al-Ola, everyone knows everyone. We are a small community, after all.
Nimlot did not know of him.
Nimlot? The foreign merchant from Masr? He's rich. Why would he care about the likes of Ishaq ibn Khalid?
What more can you tell me about this hawk?
What more do you want?
How is he?
How would I know? I recognize his face, but we are not friends. If you want details, escape from here and learn them yourself.
Ibis has gone too far this time. 2 deaths in such a short time. First the poisoning. Now the silversmith dies from starvation.
The silversmith especially. Outside, he was a respected member of the community.
Inside, too. There will be consequences, trust me.
This could be poisoned. I should not take the risk. Whoever left these marks must have been touched by madness. May I not follow the same path. There once stood a man here. Now only bloodstains remain. I must be more than this. I pray the robbers learn nothing of Derwish. With me confined, he stands unguarded against their threat.
Types of meals here. Empty bellies or bitter poison.
Abbas himself nearly had us the other day. It was a close call.
You were fortunate. Keep clear of him next time.
I've taken worse. Fighting with the Amir of Barda back in...
And then there is the matter of the roof.
What about the roof?
I have been venturing up there in the evenings to take my meals. I am not the only one, to be fair.
You and the others should be careful, or you may find yourselves confined in these very same cells as punishment.
Time to see if my newest brew is all it promises to be.
No, no! Please! Have mercy!
Not even a dog deserves that. I am not going to tell him to stop.
Useless fools. Get in here and hold him down. Hold him. Stronger than I thought. Doubt he will make it through the night. Your turn draws near, friend. Then the true entertainment will begin.
This confinement, the threat of torture. I feel as if I have lived such a fate before. In some distant memory I cannot fully grasp.
For a man who starved to death, he is heavier than I expected.
He had plenty of friends here. Now the other prisoners are getting restless. One even struck me. I can still feel the blow.
Where have you gone, Enkidu? If you still draw breath, I would welcome your help. I should have known you would find me. If only you could aid me. The key to my cell. It is somewhere in this forsaken place. Thank you, my friend. I can always count on you. Though of humble make, these weapons should serve me well. Before I depart, I must settle Abyss's fate for good.
What? I'll finish you!
Freeing these captives would sow chaos and aid my escape.
Help is appreciated. From this moment, mercy turns its back on you.
Decide at once.
Hold on. Pay for your sin.
This is not a fate I would wish on my worst enemy.
you!
Tell me what's going on.
If someone comes begging for
I'm going to
death,
squash you, spider!
we will oblige.
Come this way!
Ha! Prepare to meet your fate!
Nice work! Don't get cocky! Got it!
Though of humble make, these weapons should serve me well. Before I depart, I must settle Abyss's fate for good.
You there, halt!
My gratitude was here.
You'll slip.
Freeing these captives would sow chaos and aid my escape.
Thank you kindly.
Halt! Justice comes for you, guard!
Send you to the grave!
That's a good one!
Down to the...
There you go! I will drive you to a pond!
Cowards! Turn and fight! Find your sword!
war!
Calling backup! Stay clear of me!
Take your head!
There you are! There!